Hamjambo tena. Tuko hapa leo katika capital ya jamii ya Mulembe. We are here in the indivisible capital of the Mulembe nation, Kakamega. Tuko hapa kwa mambo ya BBI. And I want to tell fellow Kenyans that many of us have been at the centerpiece of constitutional making from Bomas 1, Bomas 2, Naivasha referendum. And we were told, pitisha tubadilishe au badilisha tupitishe. Tukapitisha. Leo tuko hapa katika Bukhungu Stadium kuja kuambia watu wetu na Wakenya kwa jumla vile tulinyeshewa tukitembea hii safari. Lazima tukumbuke tone la kwanza la mvua lilituangukia wapi. The centerpiece of BBI is born out of electoral malpractices, is born out of electoral injustice, and is born out of lack of integrity of elections. Now that we are here, we must make the people of Kenya the center of BBI. BBI is not about leaders. BBI is about the great country called Kenya and its people. We want to address all the issues. BBI has 9 pillars. Let's not run away with one pillar and forget the other 8. Inclusivity is as important as electoral justice. Tribalism is as dangerous as stealing elections. Marginalization of communities and regions in the economic fabric of the country is as dangerous as a bomb. As we move forward, we want to see that there is justice for all. Nataka kushukuru Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, juzi nimeona, and rightly so, amepeana pesa kwa kahawa, amepeana pesa kwa majani chai, amepeana pesa kwa maziwa. Sasa tukimaliza hapa, tunataka kuona pesa kwa miwa, tunataka kuona pesa kwa mahindi, na tunataka kuona pesa kwa vijana. Today, my brothers and sisters, we stand here to tell you, anybody who is taking a trajectory to balkanize and bastardize others, ataangukia patupu. Kwa sababu tukiwa hapa leo, every opinion counts. And let's not be tempted to go the direction of thinking that if I don't agree with you, then I'm against you. We can always see things differently. The most important thing is the unity of the people of Kenya. And it must be a unity of purpose. It will not be unity kama wengine wamekaa kwa meza wanakula na wengine wako nje. Munaelewana na mimi? Leo nikimaliza, tumekuja hapa na Musalia Mudavadi, mumetuona. This region of Mulembe and the region of Western, tukiwa na ndugu zetu wa Teso na Wasabaot Mount Elgon, we are not strangers in Kenya. We have the right to be here. And here we shall be. And here we shall remain. And here we shall talk. And here we shall bargain. And here we shall lead. And here we shall go forward. Vandu baluya akhabane bakhuleka omundu seyecha asi omukhasi wo khwiturumala wasilile busa tawe Bandu baluya. Akhabane bakhuleka. Omundu secha politika amukhewo malawasi labisa tawe. So today, and I speak on behalf of myself and my brother Musalia, nobody will divide us. Nobody, hakuna mtu atatupangia viti. Nyinyi ndio mtapanga viti. Na nyinyi ndio mlituzaa. Na mumetuleta mpaka hapa. It is not an accident. It is purposed by God. And what God has put his hand on, hakuna mtu atabadilisha. And I want to tell you, the most dangerous thing you can do in life is to stand in the way of an idea whose time has come. And the time is now. Hakuna wakati mwingine. Tuelewane, tukubaliane, tuheshimiane. Mimi sina shida na ndugu yangu Raila Amolo Odinga. Mimi sina shida na Rais Uhuru Kenyatta. But let's move together because Kenya is for us all and Kenya needs everybody. Wela mulindeko.